This steamer tutorial is going out to my student Amber, who I am desperately hoping will be feeling better in time for the Christmas recital this Sunday. Well, and really the tech rehearsal on Saturday, and this is, well, 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, so we don't have a lot of time. I just happened to have gotten this new steamer off Amazon. I've never had this one before, so we'll see. Oh, you can see how it looks for the very first time. So, wow, this really points up high. Oh, good, you can adjust the nozzle. That's kind of nice. So, when we're steaming, for the purpose of like singing, or as a singer, I guess I should say, there are a few guidelines I'd like to share, and I'm sure there are more, but these are the ones I know. So when you're steaming, you want to breathe 4 different ways, the 4 different ways we can breathe, which is inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. That's way 1. The second way is in through the mouth, out through the mouth. Third way, in through the nose, out through the mouth, and fourth way, in through the mouth, out through the nose. So you want to alternate breathing all 4 different ways. And wow, the steam is like, I just filled it up and it's already almost out of the reservoir. Like, I was going to say you want to steam for a minimum of 5 minutes and no more than 30 minutes in one day. This steamer may not be the one for me though, because if it can't even go like 2 minutes, then that's not really going to get the job done. So you have to be careful because you can overdo it. I find a way to like overdo everything in life, and I have steamed too much to where I will get a rattling cough in my chest. So you don't want to do that. You also don't want to put your face like too close, because this is steam, and guess what? Like, water can't turn into steam unless the water, it reaches a very high temperature. So steam can burn you. With a steamer that's designed for the face or the voice, you shouldn't get burned, but you still can get too much, and you don't want to damage the skin on your face or your mucosal membrane. We're trying to hydrate, not burn, which will create more damage. And steaming does have the added benefit of making your face skin hydrated and nicer along with your voice. You always want to look your best when you're performing, so it's kind of a nice perk, I guess, which is why I prefer like these style instead of the ones that just go like over your nose. But it will ruin your hair and makeup, so you want to do it like before you get ready for a recital.